COVID-19 or coronavirus are most important topics in today's world. Whole of the human population are scared due to this pandemic. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. Till now, 23.6 million people are affected from this virus. More than 8,14,000 people died due to this pandemic. Authorized vaccine hasn't invented for this pandemic, so how can we protect ourselves from this global pandemic? We must take some precautionary steps to protect us and others from this virus. We have to clean our hands often, avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, avoid close contact with someone who is sick, clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. We must avoid public transportation. Try to use cashless transaction like bKash, Nagad. Must use mask when you are not at home. You have to use mask for your own safety and others. You must maintain social distance in workplace minimum 3 feet with others for protect yourself and your family. Due to corona pandemic, different kinds of medical waste are generated from medical sectors. These waste are generated alarmingly due to increased number of COVID patients. Some of these waste are hazardous waste. Hazardous waste are those that may contain toxic substances generated from industrial, hospital, some types of household waste. This waste could be corrosive, inflammable, explosive or react when exposed to other materials. Some hazardous waste are highly toxic. Sources of hazardous waste: products of industrial and domestic activities, mining sites or mineral processing site, all sources that discharge liquid, agricultural land and agro-industry. Contaminated site and building materials are the sources of hazardous waste. Characteristics of hazardous waste: flammable waste with flash point 65.6 degrees Celsius or below. These waste react as oxidizer. Explosive waste: these waste are unstable and reactive with water. Corrosive waste which may be corrosive by chemical action, will cause severe damage in contact with living tissue. These waste pH was under 2 or greater than 12.5. Toxic waste containing or contaminated with established toxic or ecotoxic constituents. Toxic substances are defined by Environmental Protection Agency. Transportation of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste transportation means the movement of waste from one side to another for treatment, storage and disposal purpose. Hazardous waste transporters play an integral role in the hazardous waste management system. Hazardous waste to be properly packed and labeled for transport to ensure safe handling. Hazardous waste containers should be marked as per Form 12. Information on hazardous nature of waste and measures to be taken in case of emergency shall be provided to the transporter in Form 11. Transport to be in accordance Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and related guidelines. Manifest system to be maintained. Import and export of hazardous waste. Schedule 3 to be used for regulating hazardous waste export and import. Export and import ban on 30 items. Import shall be permitted only for recycling or recovery or reuse, not for disposal. Export may be allowed to an actual user of the waste or operator of a disposal facilities with the prior informed consent of the importing country. Treatment of hazardous waste. There are 5 steps by which the hazardous waste can be treated. They are physical, chemical, thermal and biological treatment, and the last one is disposal method. Physical treatment. It includes filtration, separation, screening, sedimentation, adsorption, centrifugation and stripping. Waste containing liquid and solid are treated in this process. Chemical treatment. Chemical methods for treatment are chemical precipitation, chemical oxidation and reduction, neutralization. It reduces the hazard of a particular matter or waste. This process breaks down hazardous waste into non-toxic form. Thermal treatment. There are two processes for thermal treatment. They are incineration and pyrolysis. 1100 degrees Celsius temperature requires for incineration process. In pyrolysis, temperature requires 425 to 760 degrees Celsius. Biological treatment. It consists with composting, aerobic and anaerobic treatment. Recycling of waste into organic fertilizer known as composting. Anaerobic treatment. In this process, microorganisms need carbon, energy source, nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus and a source of oxygen. And the last one is disposal method. The option for disposal include land disposal, underground disposal and deep well injection. Land disposal. Currently, 23 million tons of hazardous waste are land disposed each year in the world. A wide range of waste byproducts of industrial process is being spared on the land in agriculture, forestry and land reclamation operation. Disposal method. Disposal method mostly depend on cost. These methods are landfill and waste buried in soil. In this figure, we can see how landfill has occurred. Storage of hazardous waste. There are two methods exist in storage of hazardous waste. They are long-term retrievable storage and the second one is secured hazardous waste landfill. Hazardous waste are to be stored on site in bags, containers in a covered area. Storage permitted for a period not exceeding 90 days. At last, in household activities and our daily purposes, we use various kinds of hazardous waste. We must avoid or careful about the uses of this hazardous waste. Thanks for watching.